My name is Tom House. We live in west central Minnesota near the town of Elbow Lake. On Pomme de Terre Lake is where we live. You only have 24 hours in a day, and so you're going to work some of that, you're going to spend time with your family with some of that. You could only do so much with each hour of the day. And so with this mobile maintenance, it makes it so easy to just have them take care of everything. We don't have to do the servicing. We know it's done correctly, and there's a lot of value in that for us. Is putting gasoline in, does that count as maintenance? Because that is the only maintenance that I have done. I am not a real mechanical guy. I haven't done any maintenance on the mower whatsoever. We have a very busy life with my wife and 4 kids and her rental business and my job, and it's just one of the things that I don't put a lot of priority on. He set it all up, sent me a text this morning. Our guy will be there in about 30 minutes. Fantastic. Showed up, he got up on the driveway, the equipment was sitting there. I was able to continue to work because I was working from home. He was able to do all the service on the mower, get it all done, and on the tractor. And when he was finished, talked to me, went over it, said what he did, which I appreciated. It barely took any of my time. With John Deere and RDO, I know that it's quality, and you pay for quality. It's done right. I know my mower is good. I know everything's done. The blades are done, the oil, all the servicing he did on it today, because they have fantastic technicians as well. He did a great job today, and I'm looking forward to him coming back again. So if you're busy and you have things going on like everybody does these days, it's just simple. Mobile maintenance pulls up, does the work, you know it's done right, there's peace of mind. If I goof up on an oil filter or something else and something happens to the mower, was it worth me saving $100? I don't think so. So peace of mind is worth something.